So let's start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the arms down, we'll shake into that left wrist, and then up to the elbow, and all the way to the shoulder. And onto the right wrist, the elbow, and to the shoulder, and both arms. And then we're going to shake into that left ankle, and to the knee, and to the hip. Onto the right ankle, and the knee, and the hip. And bring feet hip width. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, bend the knees, sweep the arms back. Exhale down, inhale up. And one more. And coming back to standing. So balance pose, we'll do a cross crawl. So I'm going to gradually build up to it, bring that right leg up. So once you feel steady, we're going to take the other hand to the outside of the knee. And if you can, we'll twist at the waist. And bring the arm up to shoulder level. And maybe even look to the hand. And we'll come down to the other side. So bring the left leg up, bending the knee, belly button squeezed in, lengthen up through the top of the crown. And when you're steady, take the opposite hand to the outside of the knee. And we'll twist at the waist. Bring the arm up, shoulder level, palm facing forwards. And then look to the hand if you can, and coming down. So again. And bring the right leg up. So just in your own time, maybe with the breathing. So inhale, exhale, take the hand to the knee. Inhale, exhale, twist at the waist. Inhale, exhale, bring the arm up. Inhale, exhale, look to the hand. And coming down. So bring the left leg up. So get steady first. Inhale, exhale, hand to the knee. Inhale, exhale, twist at the waist. Inhale, exhale, bring the arm up. Inhale, exhale, look to the hand. And coming down. Okay, so standing posture, high lunge with that right leg forwards, left leg back. A good bend in that front knee, and the back heel is up. So try and sink down into the pose. Try and straighten that back leg. If you want to, we'll add the low twist. So the opposite elbow goes to the outside of the knee. Pressing the palms together, fingers pointing forwards. back up and do the other side. And we'll take the left leg forward, right leg back. So remember that back heel is up, both sets of toes facing forwards. That front knee is bent, tracking in the same direction as the toes. And if you want to, add in the low twist. Carefully come back up, and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. So shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And just see if you can feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. And we'll bring the arms down, and we'll